how to leave crew in Need for Speed. If you need a fresh start or joining a new team, here's how to leave a crew in Need for Speed on your phone. Let's start our Need for Speed application. From the main menu, you have to tap onto the crew option, which is at the down middle of your screen. After tapping in the crew, you can manage all the teams. You just have to tap on your crew name to open the crew info page. This shows member, logo and settings. Look for the Leave Crew button, usually at the bottom. Tap it and confirm when asked. Once you confirm, you instantly be removed from the crew and sent back with a solo mode. And that's how you leave a crew in Need for Speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.